In this energy clearing session, we're looking at a way to start your day off in really good, positive energy. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin from Vibration Elevation, and today's card is from the Magical Mermaids and Dolphin deck, and it says Morning Affirmations. Say positive affirmations each morning to open the gates of manifestation. All right, so if you've worked with me before, you've heard me, talk about affirmations. Honestly, I'm not a huge follower of affirmations. And let me explain why, because I know there are a lot of people that are, and it's great. I just happen to believe that manifestation using affirmations is a little tricky because we can tend to trick ourselves, right? We can end up trying to manifest or use affirmations in order to get what we want, as if there's a way to trick the universe. Affirmations work when you're in line with what it is you're affirming. So in other words, if I want $1 million and I don't have $1 million and there's no chance I'm going to have $1 million, but I start saying affirmations like, I easily and effortlessly attract boatloads of money into my experience. Well, that may work for some people who don't have resistance, but if I'm not attracting money, then no amount of affirmation is going to really shift that unless I do some other work as well. So affirmations work because one of the ways to clear or to shift on the subconscious level is by repetition. So when you say affirmations daily, you're repeating to your subconscious mind what it is that you want to attract. Now, the problem is if it's too far out of your reality, then your subconscious mind knows and says, just doesn't say, but it just kind of lets it go. It does not act on it. So one of the things you want to do is to create affirmations based on things that are in line with your subconscious mind. So in the example of the $1 million, if I want $1 million and I have no matching energy to that, like if I even have beliefs that, oh, I'm not going to have money, or I can't have money, or money escapes me, any of that type of stuff, I need to look at that first and start on those. Like, I can easily attract money and leave it at that and start working on that level. Or I can go and look for ways to clear the blocks that are preventing me from manifesting what I want, and then state the affirmations in the morning, every day, like clockwork, which will also work to help. Well, first, it'll help raise your frequency, because as you say these positive things, as long as you believe them, and it's not like you're saying it thinking, oh, there's no way, this is never going to happen. You can't fool yourself, right? But if you say, I easily and attract money, and there's no blocking energy, then yes, that is going to raise your frequency and it's going to bring to you what it is you want. And these affirmations are a great way to start your morning. Just set the energy in motion with what you want, clear out anything blocking you, and allow your day to happen in line with your affirmations. So I hope that made sense. And what we're going to clear today is any blocks preventing you from achieving resonance, from being in alignment with one of your manifestations. So whatever it is that you want to manifest and whatever your affirmation is, think of that affirmation as you listen to this clearing. All right, so that's done. What you can do now is for each affirmation you have, listen to this clearing, and it will help clear out any resistance, any conflicting energy. So that like, oh, I don't really believe that, or on some level, I don't believe this manifestation is going to happen, or I don't believe this affirmation, it's too far out. This energy clearing is going to help you reduce that. So go ahead, if you don't mind, and let me know what affirmation you chose. And whatever it was, give it a try in the mornings. Like give yourself a week or two and state it every morning as you start your morning after you've cleared the energy around it, and let's see what happens. All right, thank you so much for listening, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I really hope it makes a difference for you. If you liked it, there is a free training on how to do energy clearing, and the link is in the description below, and it will teach you what it is that I do behind the chimes and how you can do energy clearing. All right, and that's over at vibrationelevation.com, but the link is in the description box. So thanks again, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.